क्विक स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 9 का कंप्यूटर का लेसन नंबर 9, ठीक है, इंट्रोडक्शन टू वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग। इसके टेक्स्ट बुक के एक्सरसाइज सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। एक्चुअली ये रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है। BTS वर्ल्ड करके एक सब्सक्राइबर है हमारे, तो उन्होंने इसकी डिमांड की है, इसलिए ये खास उनके लिए मैंने ये वीडियो आज डाला है। ठीक है, अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ऐसे ही कमेंट करते रहिए ताकि मैं आपके लिए वो वीडियो लेके आऊँगी। ठीक है, कमेंट ज़रूर कीजिएगा। अगर मुझे कमेंट नहीं करोगे तो मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपको कौन सा लेसन, कौन सा चैप्टर, कौन से स्टैंडर्ड। और आपको एक बात बताना वाली हूँ कि इसमें आप क्या करते हो, कमेंट करते हो मगर उसमें पूरी तरह से डिटेल में नहीं लिखते हो। जो भी लेसन चाहिए, कौन से सब्जेक्ट है, कौन सा क्लास है, कौन सा स्टैंडर्ड है, ये सारा का सारा डिटेल्स मुझे वहाँ पे लिखवाइए, यानी मुझे पता चलेगा कि आपको क्या चाहिए। क्योंकि आधा अधूरा आप मुझे कमेंट करते हो, मुझे नहीं पता चलता कि आपको क्या चाहिए। इसलिए जो भी है तो क्लास, सब्जेक्ट और कौन सा लेसन वो मुझे बता दीजिए। और क्या होता है, ये सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी 3 बोर्ड के लिए काम करती है। ठीक है, एक हमारा ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट है गुजरात बोर्ड, फिर सेकंड कर्नाटक बोर्ड और थर्ड महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड। ठीक है, ये तीनों बोर्ड के लिए काम करती है और छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी करती है। इसलिए कंफ्यूज होते हैं कि आपको कौन सी वीडियो चाहिए। तो आप एकदम डिटेल से मुझे लिखिए कि क्या चाहिए। और थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमेंट। इतने प्यारे प्यारे अच्छे कमेंट आप करते हो, मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट मिलता है काम करने के लिए। ठीक है, ऐसे ही कमेंट करते रहिए और ऐसे ही चैनल को आप सपोर्ट कीजिए। ठीक है, ताकि हमारी फैमिली अभी 9,000 से लेके मिलियन तक पहुंच जाए। ठीक है, आप ऐसे ही मुझे कमेंट करते रहिए और ऐसे ही लाड दुलार देते रहिए ताकि मुझे भी मेहनत करने के लिए ज़्यादा उत्साह मिले। ठीक है, चलो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करते हैं। ठीक है, हम ये लेसन को स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो में। ठीक है, तो पेज नंबर 133 इसका लेसन है 9 का। ठीक है, तो इसके एक्सरसाइज देखते हैं पेज नंबर 148 पे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग? द आंसर इज एक्टिविटी ऑफ वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग इज द क्रिएशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्स यूजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर collection of programs called the word processor. Question 2 है टेक्स्ट बुक का, which are the component of office suite? The answer is office suite is a collection of programs which are useful for words processing, database management, presentation, spreadsheet preparation and many more applications. First point, the application component of open office are writer for words processing, calc for spreadsheet preparation, impress for presentation, base for database management, draw for drawing and other. Question 3 है टेक्स्ट बुक का, write at least one advantage and one disadvantage of electronic typewriter. The answer is in the 1974 Xerox company introduced electronic typewriter. In its change in the content where possible, once typed and multiple copies can also be taken out even with minor changes, but it had a very small sized screen and therefore it was possible to view only one or two or very few lines. Question 4 है टेक्स्ट बुक का, why word processing is required? The answer is word processors have a variety of uses and applications within the business world, home and education, which are listed below. First point, word processors are widely used in most of the offices for preparing letters, letterheads, reports, memorandums, balance sheet, report and many other different types of documents like legal copies and references documents. Business tend to have their own format and style for document. Apart from business, word processors are useful at home. Second point, students use it for preparing project reports and assignments. It is also used for letter writing, resume creation and card creation. Third point, authors use for word processing software for preparing articles and manuscript of books. Fourth, researchers use word processor for preparing thesis and teachers used it for preparing questions, papers or study material and notes. Last point, since preparation of varieties of document is a common need for many people, words processing is the most required or popular application of a computer. Question 5 textbook का, write all the menu options of writer. The answer is the line below the title bar in writer windows is menu bar contain different menus like file, edit, view, insert, format, table, tools, windows and help. If any of the menu item is selected, a sub menu drop down appears and allow us to select different commands. First point, file menu contain the options that apply to the entire document such as new, open, save as, print, etc. Edit menu contains command for editing the document such as cut, copy, paste, undo, redo, find and replace. Third point, view menu contain the commands that permit to manage the display of the document such as print layout, web layout, full screen, ruler, etc. Next point, commands like inserting any object in the document like picture, sounds, graph, header, footer are part of insert menu. Next point, format menu contains options required for formatting the layout of the current document like bullet, numbering, style and formatting, change case, etc. Table creations, modification, adjustment of rows and columns, everything related to tables is done through table menu. Next point, tools menu contain the options like checking of spelling and grammar, change of language, line, numbering, word count, etc. Next point, Windows menu is normally used when more than one document is opened. Switching from one document to other and to views all the documents on screen at the same time is possible through window menu. Last point, help regarding any topic of writer is available through help menu. Question 6 textbook का right step to move a selected block in the beginning of the documents. The answer is right click on the selected block of the writer document. By doing so, the context menu will appear. Click on cut. First point, take the mouse pointer in the beginning of the document and place the cursor. Second point, again right click the mouse and click on the paste option of the context menu. Last point, the selected block will move to the beginning of the writer documents. Question 7, can you save a writer documents as a Microsoft Word document? If yes, how? The answer is yes. Writer provides the facilities to save the writer documents in MS Word form. To save document in MS Word form, click File, Save As. The Save dialog box will appear. From it, in the File, type drop down menu, select the type of word format and then click on Save. Note, before you save the documents in MS Word format, you have to save the document in the file format used by OO Writer, that is .odt. First point, from the point onwards, all changes you make to the documents will occur only in the MS Word document. Next point, to make writer save documents by default in the MS Word file format, select tool, arrow options, then arrow load, then save, then arrow general. From the dialog box that appears, select text documents from the default file format which comes under the documents type section and then select your desired file format from always save as section. Next question textbook का question number 8, right step to save a file with password. The answer is writer provide documents protection that can save your file with password. This document protection is compatible with Microsoft File Protection. To protect the file with password, perform the following steps. First, click on File, arrow, Save if you are saving the file for the first time, or File, arrow, Save as option. Second, by doing so, the Save dialog box will appear. Write the file name in the name box. Third, select Save with Password option and then click on Save button. 4. Now enter password dialog box will appear. Write down your password in the enter password box. Point. Fifth, write down the same password again in the re-enter password box and then click on OK. Your file will be password protected. Question 9. What will you do to save your file automatically after every 30 seconds? Write all the steps clearly. The answer is to make sure that the data of the current document does not get lost in case of eventualities like power failure. OpenOffice provides a feature of auto save. First point, perform the following steps to save your file automatically after every 30 seconds. Point 1, select menu and option. Tool, arrow, options, arrow, load, arrow, save, and then next arrow, general. Second point, again select save auto recovery information from the dialog box and set the time interval. The default time interval is 15 minutes. Since we want to keep it for 30 seconds, write 30 and click on OK. Third point, writer will automatically save your file automatically after every 30 seconds. Question 10. Which are the different views to display a document? The answer is writer provides 3 different ways to view a document. They are first, print layout, second, web layout, third, full screen. Next, question 11. Choose the most appropriate option from those given below. First, which of the following is not the component of the Office suite? The answer is C, Internet Explorer. The most widely used word processing software in late 1970s is? The answer is C, WordStar. Third, we can change the mistakes noticed in which of the following? The answer is D, both A and B. 4. To insert header and footer, we have to go to which of the following menu? The answer is B, insert menu. Fifth, to hide view ruler, we have to go to which of the following menu? The answer is C, view menu. 6. To check the grammar, we have to go to which of the following menu? The answer is A, tool menu. To replace a word Bombay by Mumbai, we have to go to which of the following menu? The answer is D, edit menu. 8. To close an open document, we have to go to which of the following menu? The answer is A. The answer is A, file menu. 9. Which of the following is the default extension of the writer file? The answer is C, .odt. State whether the statement given below true or false. First point, to open word processor window menu options is selected. The answer is false. Second, current file name is shown in status bar. The answer is false. Third, open icon for opening a file is part of standard toolbar. The answer is false. Third, format menu contains the options that apply to whole document. The answer is false. Fifth, it is possible to open a MS Word file in OpenOffice Writer. The answer is true. 6. We cannot open OpenOffice Writer file in MS Word. The answer is false. 7. A toolbar can also be moved like a selected block of the document. The answer is true. 8. Templates are pre-defined and exist in the Office suite. We cannot create our own. The answer is true. 9 point. If we close a document, writer itself will be closed when only one document opened. The answer is true. 10th, to open a document from a pen drive, it is required to be copied on the desktop first. The answer is false. ठीक है. Practical exercise. Perform the following exercise on your computer and write all the steps. ठीक है. तो ये प्रैक्टिकल आपको कंप्यूटर में करना है. ठीक है. तो अगर आपके पास कंप्यूटर हो तो आप ये सब कुछ प्रैक्टिकल ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. तो अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय.